Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from GBFKE. They were kind enough to send me some items to share with you all. So I'm going to start with a special diamond painting. These are, well, this one definitely is a partial. So all this black background, you do not have to diamond paint. It is not sticky, it is already pre-printed. Also, it is pre-printed with this design behind the turtle. But you get to diamond paint the turtle himself. It is down as a 30 by 30 painting, but the actual image area that you can then frame is 25 by 25. Doesn't he look stunning? You should see him completed. If you click on the link below, you'll be able to see what he looks like with diamonds on. But there is 13 different diamonds. Some of them are different shapes. So 7 of them look to be the standard rhinestones. You do get a toolkit. Yeah, it looks like 7 standard rhinestones. Then we have some bigger rhinestones and then we have some shapes as well. Oh, we have some AB ones mixed in. It's not just rhinestones. So we have some orange rhinestones, like a deep orange. Then we have some blue AB. So they've got the iridescent AB coating. Then we have some sort of corally pink rhinestones, some gorgeous blue rhinestones, lime green rhinestones, hot pink and some red. Then we still have some rhinestones but slightly different shapes, slightly bigger. So we have this purple, a green, a blue. This blue one doesn't have the facets, whereas these two do. So again, a different look. Then we have some teardrops in like a copper bronzy colour. We have some in orange and we have some in faceted little teardrops in a turquoise. And those turquoise colours, if I look, so the symbol A, P and B. So P is 4, A is 10. So 4, 10, and then the 13. Let me get them to turn them over so that you can see them properly. So for example, these 3, which are all the sort of turquoisey, tealy blues, are actually, they're used in other places, but they're used to give you his sort of fin here. Slightly different colour here due to, of course, the shading, but just so you can see how you use multiple different diamonds to give you the fin. Even though they're the same sort of colours, it gives you a different look. I say, if you click on the actual link, it does show you the painting or a rendering of the painting with diamonds on, so you can actually see what it looks like. So that's painting number 1. Number 2, this one is a 40 by 30, 30 by 40, 40 by 30. It's a full round. So you do paint all the background on this one, but this is a fun retro car. So say you do all the background, so all this sort of trees and the light and the road, and then you get to do the car itself. It's amazing how much detail you can see on that one. So it is 24 different colours, and this one does come with DMC numbers. The diamond painting area is about 35 by 25, just a little bit less in places. You do still get a toolkit. And then the diamonds on this one, I'm excited to see this yellow. That looks some fun yellow. So we have some blues, purples, Nice funky hot pink or hot bit of yellow there, which actually kind of looks like the sun shining off silver. We've got greys, browns, greens, peaches, some more purples. Oh, that's a nice orange. Oh, that's actually part of, looks like that's part of the road. Some more yellow that helps to make up that stripe. We've got some blues, more greens, pinks, greens, browns, yellows. So not as muted as you may think it ends up being. I mean, the picture itself doesn't necessarily look muted, but you may think that there's not that many bright diamonds because of the background, but there actually is. Right, I cannot get this folded up the way it was. Let me try that again. That's better. Let's try it that way. See if I can get it back in a little bit flatter. So that is painting number 2. And then painting number 3 is a bigger one. So this is a 40 by 50. This one is not as much bright colour, but I still think it is a gorgeous image. So this one is a cave. It is a full round painting. These are all poured glue because they've got the clear cover. So they do lie nice and flat once you give them a mow. But yeah, this one is called Cave. It's got a gorgeous, is that a waterfall? Even on the, no, it's not actually. On the actual image, it's actually like going into the cave. It does look a bit like it could be water, but I can actually see it as clearly on here as I can on the image, and I still can't quite figure out which it is. I think it's just light coming through. Yeah, it is. It's just light coming through from above in the cave. And you've got these gorgeous flowers around the outside. This one too has 24 colours, and it does come with DMC numbers. It is 35 by 45 is the actual diamond painting area. You do get a toolkit, a little bit more wax in that one because it's a bit bigger. But these one come in bags. So we do have quite a bit of 310. So that is your bag of 310, which is what helps make up all these. This is where most of your 310 goes, is these rocks down here. There's also a little bit up the top. But then we bring in some browns along with some brighter colours, a few brighter yellows, of course some reds for those flowers. We've got purples. Oh, we've got a nice little turquoisey colour hidden in there. Some blues, say some more muted, dusty yellow colours. We've also got that gorgeous blue in there, in with it, and a bit of white. There's also a little bit of purple in there as well. So I will pop links down below to these exact paintings. Of course, you can go and have a browse. There are many more on the site for you to have a look at. But I'll pop links for these ones in case they do catch your eye. But yeah, thank you so much to GBFKE for sending me these to share with you all. And thank you to all of you for watching. And I'll speak to you all again soon.